Dr. Khehlelezi, Dr. Khehlelezi, wayibona phezulu kodingwe.
Dr. uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu kunjani?
No, ngiyaphila kakhulu. Ngajabula ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje and abantu abasilindele ukuthi njalo ngolosithathu ngo6 o'clock sobe sina ivideo sobeneza yona every week sayithi bayithola ivideo abazoyithola kodwa ke safisa ukuthi abe u2 ngesonto. Ama-pharmacy akho all over umhlaba wonke. Just uba confirmela nje ukuthi bangafuna lephi number mhlawumbe se-office ukuze bathole ama-numbers aphelele kodwa siwabhala funa screening.
Ake siqale mfowethu sisho lento ukuze siregister lenkulumo ngoba yonke into esiyikhulumayo ngiyathemba ukuthi kufanele siregister eqale idalweni ngoba sisemafosini la sisemsamo ziyamangala nezidalo ukuthi wasekuba namalamba angaka namakhamera angaka kwenzakalani. Ndumani yadumeza izweni isihlahla somdlebe nontela mzimba bejebeje mfazweni empandla inhliziyo zamadoda ayibomvu nabasetete nabasenyimbane mkhonto ogwazi igazi into abayikhala amanzi dictionary ndaba yethu umndeni ngalunywa inja ngaphethe nduku siqukula mdalo ohlala emoshali ngathi ngiyakha kwaphidlika ngathi ngiyafulela kwanetha kwenze njani madoda kunjalo bogogo kunjalo bomkhulu right mfowethu asibonge kakhulu umbuzo wakho owubuzayo ama-pharmacy kunabantu abafisa ukuya ema-pharmacy kodwa ke ngenxa ye-traffic ekhona mangithi traffic kunabantu asebathi mawulwa noKhehlelezi noma mawulwa naye zama ngayo yonke indlela ukuvula ama-fake page ukuze ugcine uconfuse abantu of which we call it traffic ya kwi-social media. There is a lot of traffic and the traffic ayiliphathi kahle igama likaKhehlelezi of which we are trying by all means ukuyilwa leyo mpi kakhulu futhi ngiyayilwa of which siqhubeke na kakhulu na ku YouTube and ngiyayibona na ku Instagram futhi sebeqalile yonke indawo la ngathi ungena khona uKhehlelezi they try by all means ukuthi balwe bafuna abantu imali yonke into akho ke sokusho ipharmacy yokuqala we do have our traditional pharmacy endaweni yase khona Ilof and Commissioner we call it CCMA building in town. It's just maybe a kilometer away from Gandhi Square. Maunga Carlton Center facing up on your right hand side. That is Commissioner of Ilof, a corner commissioner in Ilof. You will find a pharmacy Milapo. It's written Dr. Khehlelezi Traditional Pharmacy. We do have another one as a Wheat Bank. It's next to downtown Tops Wheat Bank. We do have one there. We also have 176 Peter Maris, which is in Maritzburg, next to Home Affairs. I think it's behind Home Affairs. So Itola Lapana, you'll get our professional staff, which they will explain to you whatever that you need. Because there are people that are confused about izinto zesintu. If they see us sitting ezintweni ezikanjena, you'll find them like bekhuluma, no, those are witchcraft in ezinjalo, the witch doctor, okay, whatever you can say, but unjenje it's because of isintu. That is why I call my episode ngithi IsintuSami, because the word IsintuSami means a lot to a lot of people. Right, I do have a pharmacy as a Verelem next to Department of Labor. I do have a pharmacy lapo. And there is the main one, which is in Durban, 407 Salmon Grove. They call it Anton Lembete, some of them Batu Smith Street. We do have inside in Jamaungena, the passage, you'll find the pharmacy lapo. And we try by all means, Uguti pharmacy to look professional and even smart, clean, to accommodate you as our client or as our customer. Because our target is not to have abantu abangcolile coming to us. As much as, yes, when you can see skupus ngcolile, but let me tell you, inhlanhla yakho mawungafika nje ukhe kancane uthi nje ngicela ukugcoba, you'll see the difference. So we do have another one, SM Nambiti, of which we are changing the location. For now, I cannot say it with Igupinendao because we're changing the location to the main rank. Izobe seduze kwe rank. La abantu bonke abafikela khona so that it will be easier for everyone to see it. We do have another one as a Potchefstroom next to Deep Spa. sinayo ikhemisi lapho, and we have another one, it's East London, and we have another one in Pretoria, Steyn Towers. So those are the pharmacies, and the last one is in Cape Town, number 30 Waterkant, la engitholakala khona engihlola khona futhi khona. And soon I'll be announcing, guys, ukuthi ngizobe ngivisitela ama-pharmacy la ngizohamba ngihlola khona, visiting pharmacies, ngihlola futhi ngibavakashela abantu ema-pharmacy. Mawufikile wangibona ngizokwenza 25% special off, so that ngikhona, and I'll be also explaining to you, ngifike ngikutshele ukuthi I'm recommending this and that to you ukuthi uyithenge leyo nto, so that ubone i-way forward.
Uyathwalisa
Yonke into eza emntwini, if you cut your body using a razor blade, leyo nto isethwalo leso.
Okay.
That is where it end up going to isethwalo esihle nesimbi. But yonke into ezemzimbeni omuntu akhathwe afakwe, it is isethwalo. That is why isihlukana la ekuthenini sihle noma isimbi. Someone is asking himself or a question or herself a question ukuthi esinjani esimbi, esinjani esimbi. Esihle ilesi esingabulala umndeni, esingafuni any sacrifice, but there is no sethwalo esingayifuni sacrifice. If bathi wena icoke ungasayiphuzi, it is a sacrifice. If bathi wena impilo yakho yonke uzophila ngokuthi uphuze ubisi njalo ngo12 ebusuku, it is a sacrifice, because failure to do that, it leads to a bad sacrifice, of which it will require a blood, of which mile require lelo gazi izogcina ithathela. So mfowethu asilikhuluma iqiniso. Everyone oyinyanga angazama ukuhide abaleka athi noma umfundisi noma whoever. Yes, we do that.
lento le ngithanda ngoba abantu abafuna ukuthola igubhu kwena bazosizakala, abanye ke basibe benefitile nabathola igubhu baya affecteka. So ukuze sibalance equation abantu basizakale. For example, mina ngizothatha isigubhu kwena ngibe nemali, ngibe rich, kube khona ama sacrifice enzakalayo. Ubona abanye abantu bethe inkonzo zokuxhumana, hey walala nenyolo wasisilwana, wathandana neblesser, lamkakela ebusweni, ubona emavideo enza ko Dubai, kade kweTurban July njengamanje, afile abantu namavupha abo, abanye kwenzakala izinto ezenzakalile, abanye banamabhadi. So mina ukuze ngiprotect ingane yami efunda university, ukuze ngingatholi abantu abarong. Ngiyenza kanjani ukuthi ingane yami iqine, inga-attract abantu abazozenza izinto ezimbi, abazoyilalisa ney'nyoka, abazoyilalisa nama-boys.
Ake siqale kubo labo kuqala othola ukuthi sebethoilethela emlonyeni yamantombazane. Asiqale sisho lento ukuthi isigubhu nesigubhu senziwa ngezinto ezehlukene. We use different materials for all these things. We use inkosazane, we use matindane, we use umkhovu, we use isadawana, we use umdlebe, we use wonkonka, we use ingqungqulu, we use inja yasolwandle, we use ofish basolwandle abajulile, we use izinja zamaphoyisa, izinto ezikhanda umuthi mfethu zijulile, kuneyinyoka ezifakwayo. Right. If you combine all those things, zigcina ziphuma nespirit esi1, which you end up controlling that spirit. And to be honest with you, I know ukuthi lento mangiyikhuluma kubanye abantu bazothi no, we don't believe this, it's a lie. If uyinyanga ejulile, asikho isigubhu ongasikhanda uthi mawuqeda kusikhanda singayodlula ethuneni. Leso sigubhu siyahamba siyodlula ethuneni. Masingadlulanga ethuneni, kunesihlabathi sethuno ozobuya usithathe usifake la. Leyo nto ibizwa ngokuthi isipoki. Uma usebenzisa inyoka ukhumbula ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi inkosazana yasemanzini ibuye ibe umoya wasemkhathini. Inyoka masisuke elwandle iya kolunye ulwandle, iya destroya izinto ihambe. Maybe one day we need to size sigcine sifika kwi topic whereby senze topic yokuthi kahle because iyenze, can you build the spirit yokuthiwa Illuminati sebenze yini? Maybe one day I need to explain ukuthi ukuze kube Illuminati yisuka phi, ya createwa kanjani lo moya, because it's a strong spirit in a bad way and in a good way. But the honest way is lithi iBhayibheli kunendlela ebukeke yinhle kanti isiphetho sayo siyikufa, of which we are referring that to Illuminati. Most of the people abefundisi, most of them bayayithanda shortcut. mangithi shortcut wana akathwasanga lo muntu uzoqhamuka esewumprofeti omkhulu noma esebamba abantu bewaphansi ufike wanikwa into which was ready made akazi ukuthi iyenzwe how was it ukuze uyihlanganise iyenzwe kanjani but yena uyifunisa iready aka understandanga ukuthi lesigubhu masenze yoqalwe kuphi nezinye inyanga kunezinyanga maybe singathi ogedla noma ezinye inyanga ezingathwasanga eziqhamuke sefika Khehlelezi ngizocela isigubhu sokuphamisa usebanikwe waba busy wayenyanga wahlonishwa but akazi ukuthi lento ukuze uyivuse yini ngizokhuluma nje ngento esimple nje la inyanga yami impela uma ibona lento iyabona ukuthi yini lento kunemithi la engakunika wona lo muthi uwodwa ngithi hamba usebenze futhi ukwenzela imangaliso nginohlobo labovuka bonke ongasibacabanga bese I'm not trying to tell you imithi enginayo esigodlweni but bese ngiba nehlobo lwamathambo lezi zinto lezi agayiwe nangagayiwe ngeke usenze isigubhu sikhulume without ezinye zezinto la inkinga yethu sizinyanga we are failing to tell the clients iqiniso because nathi iqiniso asilazi futhi asinalo ulwazi lwayo uma ngisho kanjalo ngikhuluma ngento esimple uma uthi wena how do I protect my daughter noma my boy my son ukuthi angayitholi sethandana nosisi othwele noma usisi ezomaffecta lezi zinto noma intombazana umntanami uye university because most of this it affects abantwana basema university because bayayithanda ama shortcut bafuna ukuyibona begqoka impahla zamagama bafuna ukuyibona begibela imoto mina ngithandana nobhuti ohamba ngemoto kanti aba understand kunobhuti ohamba ngemoto enzima kanti ulala nomunye ubhuti uboost izilwane zakhe lezi izilwane zakhe it's a sacrifice iyayicelela lento depending ukuthi ithema yakhandwa kanjani and futhi ukhumbula ukuthi umuntu mawuzomnika as a client uthi nasi isigubhu uyamchazela lalela lesi isigubhu sizohamba sihambe sishintshe sifuna 1 no 2 uzoyimela yini leyo nto but siyayifaka imali hayi kancane uzoyimela yini leyo nto omunye umuntu athi yes ngizoyimela bese omunye umuntu athi ngeke ngabona kutrenda ivideo whereby ubaba unyuswa ungcobo wase Great Town inyanga nje esezingene eliphezulu naye ithi wonke umuntu othanda abafana uvela seyothwasa omunye nje onekuhlupheka kwa seyothwasa abanye bahlushwa ukuthi balanda izinto seziyafuna lento eziyifunayo bagcine sebeyowele ukuthwaseni kungcono at least uthwasa mawuthwasa mawuzazi ukuthi vele uzoyifuna lezi zinto ukuze usheshe uyithole lento oyifuna enikusebenzele abanye abaningi ukuprotect umntanakho sisiqonda nje lapho kubalekile ukuthi umntwana each and every 6 months akabona nenyanga inyanga phathi izinto ezijule kakhulu question is ngiyibona kanjani inyanga ephathi izinto ezijule kakhulu uyibona lenyanga ngokwenza izinto naye ezisabisayo nangokuthi nawe futhi uyayazi uyayizwela ukukhulunywa sithi isiZulu ayinuki ngosiwanga ayikho inyanga ngavele ukukhulunywa ngawo kakhulu ingenzanga imangaliso noma inganazi izinto ezijulile mawufika kuyona yazi mawufika kwesinye isikhathi enyangeni awuye nje maybe uphethe maybe 1000 uthi yazini baba ngizile ukuzohlola namhlanje angizile ngizofuna nje ulwazi ngoba ukhona abanye abantu into abayibukela from far from a distance they end up assuming ukuthi kunje kanti akunjalo if ngakutshela ngalesigubhu uYouTube ugcwele la wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngesigubhu these days akusakhulunywa ngesigubhu sekukhulunywa ngokhehlelezi wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngokhehlelezi wonke akasena content yabona since ukhehlelezi eqalile angikaze ngithinta umuntu oyedwa ubaba ungcobo umapholobo umuntu ungcobo unyuswa ngoba ngenza example ngayo angimlwiso omunye umuntu so they are failing ukuthi banika abantu content because we need to give these people content they are hungry for content kunabantwana abenza ama research abafundayo ngezinto esizikhulumayo so let's give them proper content uma ufuna ukuthi umntwana protected yenza sure ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi uyamhambisa endaweni la uqiniswa khona afika aqiniswe and mayiqiniswa kunemithi athi mayiqeda kuyifaka emzimbeni ayizwe manje uthi hayi man khona into engathi khona that is the right thing eyiyona ezothi akwazi ukubhekana nesimo and umntwana wakho mawumuntu wesifazane iba open akakhulume nawe yi obani abangane ohlangabezana nabo yizi indawo ehambani and maniphuza what are the strange things uthema uhleli ne boyfriend yini enzile because amanye ama boyfriend athi ungahlali eFrance City noma hayi ungahlali lapha leso sikhwama sithintwa leso lokwenziwa nje kunezinto zakhe asuke zenza at that particular time okufanele usalise ubone khona okushaya amanzi la
ngingaya pharmacy yakho khona kube khona ngikuthola yini engayithola nje pharmacy yakho ukuze ngibe right mhlawumbe ngise Cape Town ngikude nawe Khehlelezi ngisalinde ukuthi ufike nje ngalelo langa uzovakasha ngale
good question
ngathola ne pharmacy
uthi omunye umuntu Khehlelezi angi-afford ukuze esikoleni sakho but I so wish ukuthi kulabantu abenza ama cults ngiyithole ngiprotected kunamafutha la ngithi magic oil lamafutha enza isimangaliso kakhulu yabona mongathiwa magic oil ebese uthatha lento okuthiwa amabutho ise-pharmacy lento magic oil amabutho ebese uthatha lento okuthiwa ubheka mina lotion noma kuthiwa umuphi umoya wasemkhathini necklace umuntu onomoya ispirit sasemkhathini uma ufaka necklace akahlale eduze kwakho lo muntu uyothi angishisa lento noma ngifuna ukubonana nalento because akukhulumi yena akukhuluma lento esikuyena ngeke umuntu oyiclient lami umenze lutho noma kuthiwa uthwele uthandana naye ngeke izim affect leyo nto and abantu abayiyeke lento uthi ngiyasaba mina ukuthandana neblesser ngiyasaba thandana naye but make sure ukuthi strong uyawudla umuthi hamba epharmacy uthola magic oil ufake intweni yakho igcobayo noma uthenge inecklace noma uthenge ibheka mina lotion ngeke lezo zinto zizikuthinte noma kuthiwa usebenza naye amathenda nenza ini ngeke izikuthinte leyo nto
ngisafuna ukukhuluma la kunomuntu akazi inkolelo lezi isho abantu athi umuntu ophuma ejele uzomela ahamba athola intombazane akhiphe isinyama kuyena ebese abe right yena uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo uzobona indoda yena enhle abona ukuthi la ngizoba right kanti lo muntu uzokhipha isinyama angaphinda abuyeze kuwena
kanti sesinayo indlela elula mfowethu iqiniso elihle sesinayo indlela elula yokuba protector because most of the time abantu abayithola benalelo bhadi ilaba abadayisa ngomzimba of which asibasoli futhi asibajaji especially me angimsoli umuntu angimjaji umuntu because indlela yokuphila naye akabulali umuntu uyayenza as long as sebenzisa protection so sike sahlala phansi ngabheka ukuthi how do we protect these people because bafika kuthina abanye sebeqatha impethu ngaphansi bafika kuthina abanye sebenezifo ezingalapheki omunye uthi ngalala nendoda ngathi hanjwa inyoka from that day angikaze ngilale ebusuku so into enjalo kunendlela esiyenzayo engeke ngize ngisho especially kubantu abadayisa ngomzimba baphila ngokudayisa ngomzimba khona into engibanika yona bese ngithi lento le njalo mawuvuke kuseni noma ntambama usuye emsebenzini wakho uyigcoba khona indawo uyigcoba kuyona khona omunye ozogijima ufake Khehlelezi agijima athi uyigcoba ngaphansi lutho mina khona into engibenzela yona bese ngithi lento will protect you ngoba uzolala nomuntu othwele ulala nomuntu ophuma ejele akushiye nesinyama so yenza sure ukuthi leyo nto leyo uyenza kanje then after that noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani ungayitholise unezifo spiritually imoya ekwembathayo khona yes kuyenzeka ibhadi uhamba umuntu awulikhipha kumuntu asale lo webesenkingeni
leli langa wathi umuntu angayi enyangeni enganayo imali ngoba lo moya ngaleyo ngeke ize kunikeze imali isahlulwa yona kulezi imali nakho la unezitha usuku nosuku abantu bayakuzama ngakendlela kodwa still uyaphumelela kunomuntu ofana nawe emsebenzini unezitha usuku nosuku wenza ngani wena ukuthi izitha zakho zingahluleke ukunqoba ungamnika lo muntu lo ukuze nawe aphumelele njengawe
asenze kanje mfowethu sibafundisa abantu egcineni ngiyumfundisi ngiarchbishop
yes
kill your enemies with a smile
nice
ngiphinde leyo nto kill your enemies with a smile with a smile
yes
and number 2 lento ngisho iqonde kuma celebrities noma ama artists never make a mistake uye ku live noma ku social media angry
yes
make sure that your fans always see one face no matter what don't cry in front of your friend if your friends or your fans make sure babona ubuso bubodwa noma ngabe kuthiwa usushaya kanjani sebekushaya kanjani ungayithathi ikamera umela and lento ngisho ngiqondise kumadoda manje noma abantu besifazane don't be a failure is someone othi mayibona ukuthi induku seziyamshaya ebese thatha icamera ayibeke la sengiyamceba nimbone njena uyangihlukumeza wenza ukhuluma nobani kahle kahle ngoba i-social media akubona bonke abakuthandayo akubona bonke khona abakuthandayo khona abangakuthandi always ba into eyodwa nje you will win and kill them with a smile. Just give them a smile and nikidolo ukudla kwalo thandaza uma uthandaza uthi lo muntu engusebenzayo ngicela usebenze and always abantu they need to change a way of praying. uNkulunkulu kaShaka uNkulunkulu kasenza ngakhona uNkulunkulu kadingani uNkulunkulu wokhokho bami nami before uqala umbizo uJesu noAbraham nami qala ubizo okhokho bakho qala ebese uqala ungena ke emthandazweni. So into engibashaya ngayo mina ngibashaya ngento yodwa noma bengibeka amabala noma benzani ngeke ngibone ngena ku social media hey kunje no maybe ngena ngayiwanithi ake siclarify la ipage nje li1 but isikhathi esiningi ungaphenduli thula nje mina ngibashaya ngento eyi1 ukuthi ngatshela into eyi1 ebuthwaseni ukuthi into ezokukhulumela umsebenzi wakho bonke bayodina umsebenzi wakho qinisa kakhulu emthini uqinise kakhulu emthini laba abaphile li social media ngeke beze but those who believe in you ngoba mina nginento eyi1 enginayo namanje engisayisho wathi umkhulu akubona bonke abayokulandela kodwa abayokulandela nabayofika kuwena abayosizakala kuwena abayothe ebusuku belele bakuphuphe labo ibona abanye abayo-activate into zabo ngokuthi mayisekuphuphile agijima ukhipha kweshumi ungayiceli imali yeshumi esontweni kodwa bayoyikhiphela ngokuthi oyothelele ebusuku noma engakubona udlula uthi athi ukhehlelezi noma engakubona bekujabulele noma engakubona umnikani but lelo langa lowo muntu uyena siyobe sifuna ukuthi akhiphe kweshumi. Into engisho manje wonke umuntu ohleli okufanele akhiphe kweshumi noma abonge lo mkhulu emsamathi ngiyanizwa abokhehlelezi benifikile nginikene okwami abantu bakithi kunezinto zakho abayibambile abafuna ukuyidedela. The only time abayidedela ngikuthi wena you owe them okweshumi wena wangiphupha ebusuku lele you owe omkhulu abeshumi okweshumi. It's for you to decide i-account number nayo it's for you to decide ukuthi ngiyakhipha kweshumi noma cha. Uma ukhipha kweshumi in other ways uthi I'm activating lento engayibonisa ebusuku dedelana kwami kuze kumina then you will see.
Sabonga udokotela bathi IsintuSami njalo ngolosithathu sathwala inamba zikhona la everything odinga ikhona. Nisacela kakhulu ama questions elifuna siwabuze sifika kwaphendula ngokuzayo ngoba abantu abaningi banama questions abaningi.
Ngicela mfowethu kulabo ama question.
Yes.
Umuntu abhali comment.
Yes.
Njengamanje sengizozama ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngibe live ku Instagram.
Yes.
Because ngibonile ukuthi Facebook kunabantu abadlalayo kakhulu. Up until ngize ngizotshelwa umunye umfowethu uthi hayi yabona ku Facebook ngoba ubona abantu bebhala noma ama comment kanjani ingoba ku free mode akaboni nje isithombe enana ndaba nokuthi ukhuluma ku free mode. So u Instagram unabantu abamatured abayaziyo into abayifunayo no YouTube wathi kukayingaka ubona umuntu ku YouTube vele efaka inhlamba. So Khehlelezi yakucela mfowethu maybe la ekhaya mina sekufike abantu more than 18 bezoxolisa uyagula omunye uphethwe abakubo omunye usekukhuluma into esingazizwa kanti wangithuka ku Facebook. Maye ngithuka ku Facebook mina ku Facebook mangithuka simple ngikushisela impepho nje bese ngithatha impepho ngithatha lento amabutho lawo. Thatha lento mawungidine ngempela ku Facebook thatha lento ngithi lo muntu ku Facebook uyibiza ngoba angazi noma iqiniso madoda hambani amagumba amanomhlaba eMpumalanga entshonalanga eningizimu enyakatho hambani nomcinga nimthole mani nimthola nimphithanisa umqondo phithana umqondo angazazi ukuthi ubani. Abaningi into zabo zistakile zaqala ukustaka 3 days after ngimblockile ku Facebook ngabuya ngazo umreport emsamo zasha futhi basebaningi ubona lesigubhu uyasibona siyabila sinje inkinga zabantu lezi abantu abayizitshela ukuthi ba ama hero ku Facebook kanti hayi khona kulapha zibondene.
Hayi ngathemba ukuthi Ramaphosa ulalela lekhona khona abahlezi bemthuka nje abasondana nodokotela abenzele njalo nje.
Ramaphosa umongameli wami
ngisho asondela kuwena umenzele lento le khona ahlezi bemthuka.
Ungizwe phela useyahlanya okunya ngithi ngibuye ngimshaya ngomuntu ngibuye ngimlungise futhi ngokusheshsha ngivuthuze ngibuye ngilungise ngisuke ngimbhebeze wena man thula Ibe mangibona iyakhala Nkosi yami ngane yami isondela.
Sayithulisa.
Sorry. Khotha. Abe right. So ayibangamangali. Yena right shem.
Hayi sabakho doda.
Ukuhlola mfowethu abakhumbula abantu Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. NgiseThekwini. Wednesday ebusuku ngiseGoli nasemini. Then ntambama ngise-Cape Town. Busuku bonke ngise-Cape Town Thursday nasemini Friday. Saturday ngila. So isikhathi sokuphumula sikho. Wena ohlala uchatha nabantu kuFacebook ku-inbox akumina lo. I don't have time for ama-inbox. I don't do that. Angizenzi lezo zinto zama-inbox. So suka nje kulowo muntu. Ngicina ngokukhomenta nje. I-Facebook page yami ithi nyanga yodumo mzo. Uzoyibona ngokuthi inama followers of 670,000. Finish. Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Sabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Umlaphi wendabuko Dr. Khehlelezi Dr. Khehlelezi wayibona phezulu kodini lapha abantu njalo busuku nemini